Hello. My name is Fridge, and I interviewed three of my family members for whatever reason I had. It's based on current circumstances. The Game Grumps refer to it as the Backstreet Boys Reunion Tour. I am going to call it the No-No Sneeze, because you don't want to get that. Stay inside, unless you're going out for essentials, like Snickers, but mostly toilet paper and fruits, vegetables, stuff like that, A lot of beans. Oh man, so many beans. People buy so many beans. But anyway, I'm gonna push that out of my mind, and I'm gonna let y'all see the rest of this video. Hope you enjoy it. How have you been spending your time in quarantine?
Reading,
Anything else?
eating, watching TV,
Alright, that's nice.
making payments.
Wow. So then, on a scale of 1 to 10, how scary are people coughing?
I'm usually not among people, so I'm not scared at all.
Alright, so would that be a 1 or 2, maybe 3? I don't know.
Yeah, a 3.
Alright then. So, when do you think you'll start buying toilet paper on Amazon?
Never again.
Alright. May I ask why?
They sent me something really bad last time. I don't want to do it again.
Alright, fair enough. So, how much toilet paper is enough toilet paper?
What's enough for 4 people?
Alright, that's nice. And what are your opinions on people who panic buy toilet paper?
I still do not know the reason.
Alright then. So, how do you plan to act for the rest of quarantine?
I'm gonna start looking for a job.
Alright, that's good, that's good. And thank you for your time. La primera pregunta que quería preguntarte es, ¿cuántas máscaras has hecho?
Como 50.
Ok, gracias. Y también, ¿cómo has estado en cuarentena y cómo te ha afectado?
Ha estado bien, pero me estoy engordando.
Ok.
No me gusta.
En una escala de 1 al 10, ¿cómo de aterradora son las personas que tosen?
Depende de la cara de la persona. Tal vez es la tos por la gravedad que tú miras en la cara. O lo que se deja ver porque traen máscara. Les daría un 5.
Ok. Pues depende en la cara.
Depende de las facciones que haga.
Ah, ok.
Porque a veces puede serles.
Ok. ¿Y qué son tus opiniones a las personas que en pánico compran un frego de papel del baño?
Que están locos.
Ok. ¿Y cómo planeas actuar por lo demás de la cuarentena?
Normal, tranquila.
Okay, bueno, gracias por su tiempo, ma. Hello, this is Fridge, and I'm joined with Classy Cosplayer today, and I am now going to question him on quarantine matters. So, alright then, first question. How has being in quarantine affected you?
Well, I'm up between the hours of like noon and 3 in the morning now.
Are there any other effects that I should know about? Sure, yes.
Well, I don't really leave the house anyway, so not really.
All right. So, how have you been spending your time in quarantine?
Well, I've been making more YouTube videos.
Well, that's nice. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how scary are people coughing?
Not really.
So, can I have a concrete number?
Like 3.
Nice. All right. So, how much toilet paper do you think is enough?
Like for the week or what?
So you're saying it depends.
I guess.
All right then. So let's give a hypothetical and say how much toilet paper do you think is enough for a month?
I don't know, like a pack.
All right then. How do you plan to act for the rest of quarantine?
Probably make more videos.
All right, thank you.